Okay, so recently I did something called batch recording where I record a couple different videos and my audio was so messed up. I don't know what it is. Make sure you check everything before you start recording. Sometimes we record so many videos that we kind of forget. And then when we do it, we wasted our time. I legitimate wasted a couple of hours. But one of the videos, I only had sounds coming out of one side of my headphones. Again, I don't know what happened. It is what it is. That's why you have to pre-check your equipment. So again, I started doing a little bit of research and I found some stuff around here to help me fix it. And I thought it was really a simple way to do it. So, of course, I'm going to let you guys know as well in case you're having that issue. And by the way, welcome to the Content Creator Tool channel. Here, I show you equipment, I show you strategy, I show you things that may help you create videos better. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to share my screen. And I'm going to tell you this thing was so simple to fix that I was really, really impressed. Again, Final Cut Pro right here. So what we're gonna do is obviously if I start a project, Control or Command N, this is gonna be a test. Let's press enter right here and let's put just a random video right here. And again, I've been playing chess a lot. I do have a chess channel. I'm gonna put it down below as well. So if I do this, and for whatever reason, again, for whatever reason, it happens to only have audio from one side, it's going to be quite simple. You're going to come up here to the right there where it has the speaker. It says show the audio inspector, right? You actually have a couple of inspectors right there. If you go through that, you can see a couple of different inspectors. But again, go into the audio one and then come down here where you see the volume right here and switch this from stereo to dual mono. And I'm going to tell you, just by doing this right there, it is going to fix the issue. Just give it a second. It's going to go through everything. And again, you're going to be able to listen your audio from the left and from the right side. So again, a super easy way to fix your audio if you have that issue where you record it and next thing you know, you only get audio from one side of your headphones and you think is, you have to re-record. You really don't. Just do what I did right here. Follow the steps. Put it to dual mono and it's going to work just fine. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe, bell notification as well. And we'll see you in the next one.